two-factor authentication to FA adds an extra layer of security to your eBay account. Follow these steps to enable this feature quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you're on the official eBay site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon at the top of the page and selecting account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings, look for the security tab. Click on it to access various security options, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the option to enable it and follow the prompts to set it up. You may need to provide a phone number or use an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up two-factor authentication, make sure to confirm your settings. eBay may send a verification code to your phone or email to ensure everything is set up correctly. Save any changes before exiting the settings. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your eBay account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure to protect your account further.